Dear students, in this video we are going to talk about progress report. In the previous videos we came to know in depth about the proposal. In the proposal we discussed plan of management. Plan of management basically is the sequence of work, clear, that this project shall be completed within this time. For example, you took a security management system, fine, and you are the team lead, clear. Now there are two types of plans, proposals. One proposal is given to the client that this much will be, these are the bigger phases and this much time is allocated, this much cost, this and that. There is an other proposal that is called internal management. It's a kind of scheme of work, you can say scheme of work. In the scheme of work, for example, your contract has been done with the company, you have been handed over 10 lakh rupees. Now your company has started working on this project for this month. Okay, a month gone, and now everybody has been given different tasks. You know the concept of the project management, that the project doesn't mean that they first will make databases, then they will make preliminary study, then they will make this. Not. The project management gives you idea how to start the multi-dimensional works at once. For example, first they will make the initial study, preliminary study will be made. Secondly, experts there, researchers will work on the background study and already things deployed and applied in, and then there will be people working on, for example, task will be given to the databases people to collect the data and construct it. People of the web service will be working on the web service, people of designing will be working on the designing. So these are the 3-4 things. Now everybody has given a task, they have devised, okay, within this week we will cover this much, in this week we will cover this much. Now to keep eye on that whether the people working on databases, working on web service, working on design are working accordingly or not, whether the task assigned to everybody that he has to work 3 hours or 4 hours or 10 hours, or he has to complete this little module in a day or two, is working there or on, and then accordingly check that with the collaboration of these people how much advancement has been made on the project within the week. This is called analyzing their progress, their performance. So for this reason progress reports are written. A progress report basically is the analysis of the performance of workers on a specific project, that whether every individual employed in the project is working according to the task he is given and according to the quality demanded. These two things, that whether they are working on the task properly, have they completed their work, and are they doing work, are they working with that quality, assuring that quality which is required. This is called progress report. Progress reports are written in all the times. Even little children going to primary school grade 2 or 3, their progress reports are written. Their teachers are saying that your children is now, means they are saying that the child is not getting uh, good in maths and he has dropped grades and this and that. Similarly, progress reports are written in all the projects. Fine. Progress report writing is number one. Traits of the progress report writing. Number one, it must be current, the current development. Number two, it must be factual. Whatever is happening on the ground within the project, it is going well or worst. In both cases, the supervisor, the person authorized, should inform the top management about the real current situation, so that if the project is going well, they may sustain it, and if the project is not going well and there are errors, they may find solution and make some hazard management. Fine. The progress report is written by number one, experts, authorized persons, like they are called supervisors and others. These are the points that you have to be taken. You should read it, but I just jump on the uh, style of the progress report. Clear? The very first thing is topic. For example, you are writing a project security management system, SEURT, security, that you are writing the progress report for this month's management system. Fine. Introduction is transitional. For example, you are writing the progress report for this month. For example, the month is, for example, you are writing the progress report from this month. Remember this, that the progress report has always to be security management system, progress report, and suppose you are writing it for the month, it is June 1st to June 25th. Clear? Your target is that you have to write the progress report for this June 1st to the June 25th. Transitional introduction says that you should express the previous work. For example, you say introduction is, you are talking about that in the month of May, let me write for you, for example, it is the, you start it is that it is the first progress it is the first progress report about the about, okay, it is not the first, it is the second progress report about the project security management system from June 1 to June 25th. Clear? And previous task, you tell it is the first progress report in the month of May. In the month of May, you have to keep in mind that record in the month of May, databases and web service, half of the work on the database and the web service was completed, whereas the target for the month of June was to completing the remaining work on the databases and adding some features on the front end. Clear? These are the two databases. For example, there was some target for this month, databases designing and some features of the features on front end was going to be, this is the target for this month June. Clear? Objectives. You say, यहाँ पर आपने याद रखना, मैं उर्दू में बोल दूं कि मेरे भाई सबसे पहले ये ट्रांजिशनल नेचर की होती है। आपने जो उससे पहली रिपोर्ट है, जैसे आप जून की रिपोर्ट लिख रहे हैं, लेकिन आपने मई के महीने में जो काम मुकम्मल हो चुका है उसका इशारा करना है और साथ बताना है कि भाई जुलाई के जून के महीने में हमारा ये टारगेट था। ठीक है, समझ आ रही है? और अगर आपकी पहली रिपोर्ट है तो फिर आप प्रपोजल को कहेंगे कि जनाब प्रपोजल में जो है वो ये टारगेट सेटल थे जो हमने करने हैं। फाइन। उसके बाद रिपोर्ट्स जो है वो इसी तरह सीक्वेंस से चलेंगी कि पिछली रिपोर्ट का आप क्या करेंगे, एक ट्रांजिशनल इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे। ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या है? फॉर एग्जांपल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ द रिपोर्ट मींस व्हाई यू आर राइटिंग द रिपोर्ट, यू से द ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू explain the higher authorities or the director project about the development of the people and share some issues regarding the project. Scope, to inform the people and to keep update. Number 10, to accelerate the progress of the worker. This is actually the the main part. Current work, that what you actually have done from June 1 to June 25th. This is the current work. This is the main phase. It is the 80% of the work. ये असल काम है जो आपने किया है. आप कहते हैं that the work on the uh, work that Mr. Shafiq Saab, Mr. Shafiq, the database expert, with the help of co-workers, started working on the database on June the 1st, and they worked for 8 hours and they completed this and this and this. डिटेल काम जो आपने किया है वो सारा बता देंगे आप. फाइन. और उसके बाद होता है फ्यूचर टारगेट एज अ कंक्लूजन. इसका कंक्लूजन बनेगा फ्यूचर टारगेट, दैट एज अ फ्यूचर टारगेट यू विल एक्सप्रेस कि आप जुलाई के महीने में जो काम कर सकते हैं, नेक्स्ट मंथ में आप जो टारगेट देंगे कि भाई हम ये काम तो इसमें कर चुके हैं, जुलाई के महीने में हम ये काम करेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्यूचर टारगेट एंड इट इज ऑल अबाउट द progress report. I think you have understood. Thank you very much.